You do not know the impact that your YouTube channel can have until you know the impact of every single view. I just want to share this with you guys because this is something that completely changed my perspective on YouTube and how you can still make an impact even if you have low views. Because for me, I started this channel out with a bang. When I first started getting started, I had tens of thousands of views on some of my first videos. But as I started to upload more, I couldn't keep up with the amount of demand that I had for my videos. So slowly but surely, my views started to diminish. And when I started to see that, it's not that I got unmotivated, but it's just I started to think that unless I had tens of thousands of views or unless I got back to those thousands of views, my videos would not have an impact. But it wasn't until I saw a talk from Alex Hormozi that I realized I don't really need all those views, because he talked about how when he started his channel, he started with 10 to 100 views also. And when he did that, he was feeling a little bit of the same way. But then he realized that when he first started his business, he would go across town to give a talk to 10 people, let alone 100 people. So if he's doing that and he would go across town to give a talk to that many people, how are we gonna say that 10 views is not valuable? 10 views is 10 people. And I know it sounds like the most obvious thing, but when you really sit and think about it, when we have those 10 views, most of us don't really value it at that point. And that made me realize that every single view is important. If my video even gets one view, then it is worth it, because that's sitting down and talking to one person, getting the opportunity to either bring them joy through my content or help them solve a problem that they have in their life. We cannot let comparison stop us from creating content and giving value to these people that may potentially need exactly what you have. It's literally just because of comparison that we feel bad about having 10 views or 100 views, when in reality, that's 10 people and that's 100 people. We have to realize that that one viewer is super important, because they might come onto your video, they might have been having a long day, they might need a problem that they really need solved, and you have the opportunity to do that for them. You can bring them joy, cheer them up. You could even save a life, because some people, I've seen comments on videos saying that, I'm gonna be honest, that they were thinking about killing themselves or something like that, and they actually ended up changing their mind because this content helped them. That's a dramatic example of it, but still, there is an opportunity to do that. And I just make this video to help you realize that you can have an impact right now. And every single video that you're putting out, as long as it's getting one view, which I'm pretty sure that it is, you are having an impact and you have an opportunity to help people through your content. But you also have to keep going. You also have to gain the skills. You have to continue to improve your videos so that you can impact them more and create more value for them through your videos. But a way that you could do this and that you could value every single video more is think about every single video as a conversation that you're sitting down to have with a friend. You're not just thinking about it as a way to get views or to go viral. You're thinking about it as a conversation that you're trying to bring value to that friend. So it's the same thing for the videos. When people come onto your video and they have a good experience with it, guess what they're gonna leave? They might not be able to schedule another talk with you, but they're gonna be able to leave a like, leave a comment, and watch your next video. So a way that you can help transfer that kind of energy of having the conversation to your videos is along every step of the content creation process, think, how can I bring value to that viewer slash friend? So when you're editing your videos, think about, how can I bring value through this? And then with the scripting, you're asking yourself the same question. How can I bring value in the script? So instead of just doing it to get the people to the end of the video, you're trying to bring value in the script so that it's actually valuable to them. And when you're making the hook, you're not making it feel like, oh, okay, I'm just trying to get them to the end of the video. I don't care if the video is valuable to them. I just want to hook them. But when you have a value in the video, you're actually hooking them to get them to that value, because you know it's important to them. So when you're scripting the hook, you do not feel disgusting. And when you're doing the voiceover or you're recording videos like I am right now, you're thinking about, okay, if I was sitting down and have a conversation with somebody, how would I talk to them to help bring them value? How would I talk to them to help them have a good conversation? Because you have the opportunity to impact somebody's life, but you're gonna have to do it one video at a time. It's not gonna happen overnight. The better you get at the videos, the more value you can bring to them. But you also have to cherish every single view somebody brings, every single like somebody brings, and every single comment somebody brings. Like if you're able to sit down with somebody and do your video for them in person and they're able to give you feedback, and from that feedback you're able to take it to the next video and do that over and over, imagine how much better your videos would get. That's the same experience, but the feedback is the analytics, and every single view is that person that you're getting to sit down with and have an opportunity to improve your videos, but also bring them value. And it's just so great that we have this opportunity to do that on YouTube. And I just want you guys to have a better view of it, because I know that even though I'm getting a little bit of views right now, I'm still super motivated. I know I'm gonna get back to where I was eventually, but I know that every single view that I have right now is still impactful. Every single video I put out is still impactful, and it could help somebody a lot. And that one comment that somebody leaves that's super positive and just tells me thank you, keep going. I appreciate all those because I know that that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm trying to do. So of course, if you want to help bring more value to people, you have to have higher quality content. And if you want to do that, you got to put out more videos. So if you want to know why you need to do that and how to do that, then go ahead and click on this video right here.